On this ride along, an officer goes to the movies, another opens a car door, and a woman gets uncomfortably close to a movie theater floor. On July 19th in Hillsborough County, Florida, a movie theater had to stop a showing of I Know What You Did Last Summer after a guest became too disruptive. As the officer made his way through the theater, a number of complaints were recorded by his body cam.
We don't put up with that here. Please escort her out, please. That's doing too much.
An employee asked the woman to leave, but she wouldn't, so they started issuing refunds and called the police.
So who's the issue?
Got a complaint from the lady out that's standing by the bar saying that this lady was hitting her child.
This lady here?
The lady with the long black hair. I could smell the alcohol on her. We asked her to come out to talk to us, and she...
Okay, I'll talk to the parents afterwards. Hey, ma'am, I'm Deputy Dallard with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. We need to take off. You need to leave.
You don't need to talk to me that way.
All right, listen, they already told you need to leave?
Who told me that I need to leave?
The employees.
Ain't nobody told me.
Listen.
I have everything. You're a black man. You're speaking to
Don't
me
talk to me about
really
black men.
degrading
All right,
way.
let's go.
What's your name?
Let's go.
What the? You're probably recording. You ain't recording. You go aggressively. Ain't no one.
Give me your hands. 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 Give me your hands.
It's not normal. What are you?
We're not playing this nonsense. Give me your hands. What does that have to do with anything? We being disorderly.
Wow, a woman. You treat like a shit.
Stop being disorderly. Stop resisting. I'm 10-4, but I'll 94 step it up.
Right now, Jay. Listen, Jay, my son is here, so I'm not leaving till my...
Stop resisting!
I'm going to resist till you get my son.
All right, then
Get my son.
you're just going to be hurting.
You're
Get
going
up.
to hurt me, and you're going to go out.
Get up.
I'm going to press charges.
All right, that's fine.
Jay, record this shit. My son is here.
Get up. Let's go.
Why are you taking me out for what? My son is watching. You're stupid.
That's your fault.
Hey, my son is here. You know you can't take me to jail, right?
As the woman was led out of the theater, backup units were on the way.
Wow. And take me into my house. He's so dramatic. He's doing a lot. Somebody's saying this. Wow. Somebody's saying this again. Okay. You have to be so aggressive with me. As a minute. Nobody cares, right? I know nobody does. But guess what?
Because you're being belligerent.
I'm not.
That's why.
I didn't hurt nobody, but guess what? You're gonna be hurt. It's okay. You're gonna be in trouble. Go ahead, baby. Baby, you don't even know what you're doing. You think it's okay to do what you do, right? You're a black man. Like, you're not gonna take me when my son is there. You're not gonna take me in the car. Yo, get me out. I'm done.
You done?
You're fucking, yeah.
Okay.
You're so aggressive and you're so mean.
That's because you're being
Yeah, it's
belligerent.
okay. You're being aggressive towards me, but it's okay. I do nothing wrong.
Yeah, you disturb everybody else.
In this ride-along episode, deputies respond to disturbance at a movie theater in Hillsborough County, Florida. A woman attending a screening becomes increasingly disruptive, prompting staff to stop the movie, issue refunds, and call law enforcement as officers attempt to escort her out. The situation escalates due to her refusal to cooperate, alleged intoxication, and repeated verbal outbursts. What begins as a routine call quickly turns into a physical arrest involving handcuffs, leg restraints, and multiple responding units.
Because my arms hurt. I can't
Okay, all right. I'm gonna let you go. But if you stop, hey,
stop. Yo, my arms hurt. I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna let you
out.
So you can sit down. If you start again, it's gonna be back in the same position. You understand?
Okay.
Sit up. Get in the seat. Step up there. Get in the seat.
You're a piece of shit.
You can 75, man.
Yeah. God is gonna take care of me. Yo, he's taking advantage, bro. He's hurting me.
With that somewhat settled, the officer went back inside to check on the woman's son and see if he had a way to get home. The backup officers would start to arrive soon after to keep an eye on the suspect.
So she said she had her son in there?
Yes.
Do we identify her son?
Jeannie, do you know what the son is?
And does he have anybody else with him?
Grandmother.
Ma'am, can you step away, please?
Yeah, that's fine.
306 out of 17, do you copy? Where's Dallard at? Where's Dallard?
No, it's no.
He needs to come out here because she's wigging out.
Oh, she tripping out?
Yeah, she's gonna break his shit in.
Hey, Shirley-O, Grandma is here.
Yeah, where's the kid at?
He's right here. So Grandma is here. She only speaks Spanish. Can I get one of you guys?
Oh, God, let me cue. Hey, we're gonna have to move your car real quick so we can put it in leg restraints.
He has my keys. Could you get...
Santos has them.
Okay, can you get 43 for Grandma for me? Because she speaks only Spanish.
Hey, we're gonna go on the side over there. I'll take my car if you want to take Dallard's real quick. and then we're just gonna rip her out real quick.
After moving the vehicle away from the front of the theater, the officers went to put leg restraints on the woman.
All right, listen, we're gonna try to talk to mom real quick, okay? Come on.
Oh, really? Okay.
On the ground. Okay, get down.
The woman? Okay.
On the ground.
Oh, that's a woman. Oh, baby. Yeah, I got a lawyer. It's okay.
What happens when you start kicking, okay?
No, baby, I got a lawyer.
That's cool.
Alright, get her up. Let's put her back in.
Stop kicking.
Get on your side.
I don't kick.
Get on your side, stand up.
Bring your knees together. Bring your knees up.
So either gonna go easy way and you're gonna
Bend your knees so we can help you out.
They are going to force me, right? It's not first time. So, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
You force people.
Get inside.
Get up.
Hard people, right?
Sit down.
It was you guys.
Sit
One
down.
day it will be.
Sit
one
down.
day.
I'm gonna put your
When
seatbelt
God
on.
comes down, yeah. You can't play with God, right?
Sit back.
Yeshua, Mashiach is going to get you. Yahweh. Go ahead, Mama.
She's drunk.
A short time later, a female deputy would arrive to conduct a search, so they'd have to take the woman out of the car once again.
I can't step out. You know why? Because I'm pressing charge and everything. All of y'all are gonna see me in
Can you
court.
step out?
This is too tight for me, and my ankles are way too tight.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have marks. You know what? I'm taking every single one
I
of
can
y'all
fix that
to
for you
court.
if you can step
Because
out.
I wasn't aggressive to nobody. You guys threw me on the ground for no reason. No
Okay,
reason.
step out.
I'm not gonna step out. I
Walk
want
those
you to loosen my ankles, but I can't
I'm
even
gonna
step out.
search you for it first.
Are you gonna step out or we're gonna drag you out?
For drugs or weapons. Every single person that goes to jail,
No, you're gonna step out. I'm in pain. Do you see my?
This incident highlights the importance of maintaining appropriate behavior in public spaces. Movie theaters and other shared environments require cooperation and respect for staff and other guests. When asked to leave by employees, refusing or arguing can quickly escalate the situation. Alcohol consumption often lowers self-control and judgment, making minor disagreements turn into serious confrontations. Remaining calm and compliant can prevent unnecessary conflict and legal consequences.
Look,
you have to get out of the car for me to
I
listen.
can't.
Put your foot
how do
there.
you?
Put your
You
foot
guys
there.
are like unhumane. Look, I got marks, baby. I'm taking you guys to court, and every single one of y'all are gonna see me after court. And you lost your mind.
Do you
Like
want me
I
to-
can't even move my leg.
Do you want me to help you?
No, I'm about to kick you in your face.
not
If
do
you,
that.
no, are you gonna tell me not to do that? Now you're gonna be aggressive. Fine. You know what?
Stand up.
And my ankle brace, I can't even walk, right? Oh, babe, all of y'all going to jail. All of y'all. You already know. You know that's unhumane, right? You know my ankle brace is about to like break my own bones. I don't have no drugs on me. I was at the movie theaters with my child. Whoa, drugs. Take my whole pants in. That's what you want to do. That's what I'm saying. Just losing my ankles.
Okay, we will, but you have to listen first.
You can't do nothing. I already throw me. You could like abuse. I'm at this point. Cause you know what? I'm in pain. My ankles are hurting.
We were gonna loosen it up earlier, but he started.
You just said you were gonna kick me, so why would I loosen them for you?
Yeah, I know.
Makes no sense.
Yeah, I know. Makes no sense to be nice, right? Yeah.
You're not being nice. You want to act.
But
all tough.
I'm not a what?
Okay, I'm gonna pull your pants up because your butt's in here.
Yeah, I know. I'm hanging out.
Why does your waist?
Cause I'm wasting. I was just at the movies with my son. I don't think I was wasted, but yeah.
Over and out.
Yeah, everything's normal, right? Okay, it's fine. Y'all going to court for sure. I don't forget a face. That's one thing. Yeah. Humane. You see how you losing it up now? Okay. Yeah. Losing the other one
You're
too.
being aggressive. That's
No, I wasn't being aggressive, baby. And guess what? My son has everything on video, so that's even better.
Good.
So it's okay. I'm seeing all of you guys in court. All of you.
Well, you can't loosen them when you're combative and you want to fight.
No,
so-
baby, I wasn't being combative.
Yeah,
Okay, but
you
I'm not
were.
gonna talk to you.
You're still being combative.
You just got here, right? So you don't know nothing's going on.
Well,
So
I
got
can
here
tell
now,
by your
you just got
attitude and
here.
your
Yeah,
behavior.
I'll talk in no show. Yeah, shut up.
Do you want this one loosened too, or you want to keep talking shit? That's what I thought. Stupid.
It's so tight. That shit is
Yeah.
unhumane.
So just stop talking for a second. Let her.
Okay, I need you to bend this knee.
The
And
left
you're-
knee. There you go.
Well, you want to check my ass? Yeah, I'm here with my son watching the movie and you think I got drugs.
know how to act.
Here, you just got here. No, you don't know how to act,
Lean
bitch.
back.
And that's why you...
Lean back.
And can you loosen this up? Because this is way too unhumane. It's not real. It's not.
Yeah.
It's unreal. And if I... Listen, all of y'all going to jail. I'm telling you right now. We are going to court. You're going to court for
Just
sure.
face that way.
Because no. Yeah, I know. Marks on my wrist,
Huh?
and I'm going to make sure when I get out, I'll take pictures of everything. I got marks everywhere. Look, everywhere. Yeah. I need every single batch. Oh, I'm coming for sure. I'm gonna get every single one.
Cool. Stop moving. Look that way.
Especially hers. I want to see hers because she's a guy here. She doesn't even know what the f is going on.
Bro, it's fine. You're gonna be embarrassed when you see these body cams.
Bro, you're like, bitch. Shut up. Like, what the f? You just got here. You don't even know what happened. I hurt somebody. I was aggressive and I was mean and I was what?
So that happened. She was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. Her bail would be set at $1,000, and she'd get out the next day. The next month, she'd plead no contest to both charges and be assessed court costs and fines of $403.
The video also serves as a reminder of how critical it is to remain calm during police interactions. Yelling, resisting commands, or making personal accusations can rapidly worsen an encounter. Even nonviolent resistance can lead to additional charges and the use of restraints. If someone believes officers acted improperly, the appropriate response is to comply in the moment and pursue the issue later through legal channels. Cooperation on scene often determines how safely and quickly an incident is resolved.